program is not show all programs. So how to fix? Firstly I show you. Click to start, run, type control panel, view by category, uninstall. Did not show to all program here. So how to fix? Okay, so firstly close this, open this PC, click this PC, open C drive, file, right click, file 86, right click to properties, right click, show more, properties, security, advanced. This is allow for, this is if you don't have a check in your system. So firstly check it, then okay, then apply, and then okay and close. Okay, next solutions, open Windows security. From here in taskbar is not showing, so you can click to start, type Windows security, open virus and threat. Okay, then quick scan and wait for it to scan. Otherwise you can try to full scan also. Suppose I cancel this scan options, this one, this is take about 15 minutes, and then fully scan your system. Okay, and you can add new user also. If you Windows R, create new user, type net PLWIZ, then enter, add. You can enter new user like test, next @gmail.com. Finish, then close it. Then next solutions, then guys click to start button and type cmd and then enter. You can try to run an administrator, right click to run as administrator, so you're giving full permissions. Okay, then guys I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay, first command is sfc/scannow. You look at in the screen. So some when you enter some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay, and then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay,
So almost first complete, then second just a copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, yeah, and then enter. Okay, now third. Then guys, complete your process. Fourth count also done. When your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care, and you comment me have any issue, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.